Why does it feel like empathy is in decline and that just a little bit of it would go a really long ways? Well, there's research out there by Harvard, the APA, and others that tells us, honestly, what we already know. And that's that we think about ourselves a lot. And by a lot, I mean like all the time we think about ourselves, which immediately brings 2 points to my mind. Number one, that is very comforting. That is just nice being reminded that others aren't thinking about me as much as I think they are, which is a good reminder that I need to stop being so hard on myself and so critical of myself. And I need to extend me a little bit of grace because no one's thinking about me and being as hard on me as I am. They're all too busy thinking about themselves. Which brings me to point number two. If everyone is so busy thinking about themselves, this is why just a little bit of empathy can go such a long ways. Now, empathy is a tool that we all have in our toolbox. But with how often we think about ourselves, it's a tool that can easily be neglected, and it requires practice on our parts so that we can use it and use it well. It's going against the grain a little bit of our natural wiring because, again, we think about ourselves all the time. I love how author Mark Batterson puts it. He says there's two types of people in the world. There's here I am types of people and there you are. So here's the picture. You walk into a room full of friends or people or colleagues, whatever. You walk into a room full of people. For the here I am people, when they walk into that room, their first thought is, well, here I am. Everyone's thinking about me. Everyone's looking at me. What are they thinking about me? They're just focused on themselves. The second kind of person, the there you are type of person, is someone who when they walk into the same room, they check their ego at the door. And their first thought in their minds is, there you are. Now, I think we're all capable of being either person. And I lean naturally, and maybe you do too, but I lean naturally to being the here I am kind of person. And so a way for me and you to combat that is when I walk into a room, when you walk into a room, maybe the first thought is, here I am, and how can I serve you? How can I focus on you? Empathy requires me to think about myself less and be more present with you. And it's something we could all use a little bit more of.